Hi my sweet friends, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a craft together, so let's get started. What I'm going to do today is I have an old phone case. Now with the old phone case, it had fur on it and I was using it a lot, but then the fur, you know, gets dirty, and then I tried to wash it and it just didn't look good. So what I did was I peeled off the fur, and I'm going to do a repurpose of this phone case. So I went to Dollar Tree and I got some gems. So here's some gems, and I have some left over. So, and I've got this ring phone holder. So I'm going to use this also. So I'm going to put that on with some craft glue that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some texture paste. It's actually called matte 3D paste. Heavy gel matte is what I'm going to be using, and I got this at Michael's. So I'm going to put some of this into a container. I'm going to mix in my pink paint. I'm going to put a layer on here, and then once I put the layer on, I'm going to start setting the gems inside the gel, and then let it dry. And then once it's completely dry, I'll probably Mod Podge it over to make sure that everything stays on. If I don't use Mod Podge, I do have some clear translucent glue. It's just Elmer's. I could also cover it with that. It's either or. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to open this package. And get out the stopper for the phone. Because I want something to be able to hold the phone when, you know, you're going up and down the stairs, or it will sit up with this holder. So, and I got two of them, but I'm going to use the pinky orangey color. So all I'm going to do is, it does have sticky on the back, but I don't think it holds very well. So, and this has been washed and scraped to the best of my abilities. You will not see all these little bits and pieces that I could not get off. I want to put extra glue to hold the stopper, because I don't believe that that will stay very long with its little bit of stickiness on the back. So I'm just going to put this in the middle of the phone case. And I love this glue because when it dries, everything stays. Like, it does not, you know, give out. It holds very well for a very, very long time. So I got my glue down. Just going to put this back in there. I always put a pin through just to keep it from clogging. I'm going to peel off the sticker part. Just like that. And then I'm just going to put it down. So we're going to put it roughly there. It does spin and everything, so it doesn't really matter which direction you put it on. So that's on there now. So now what I'm going to do is, while that's drying, I'm going to be mixing the 3D gel, and this is what it looks like in there, with some pink paint. So I'm going to grab some out, and it is quite thick. It might be a little bit thicker because it's a little bit, I've had it for a while, so it's a little bit old, but it still works just fine. So I'm just putting some in the container. And I might need to use a popsicle stick, we'll see, to stir it, but Okay, so we have some 3D gel in there. We're going to shake. This is metallic pink paint. We're going to add that into the bottom. And then we're just going to mix. So all I'm going to do is mix it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it mixed now, and this is the color that I came up with that I like. Anything's better than that fur was. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this 3D gel, and I'm just going to load it on the back here. And I'm going to put it pretty thick. And then I'm just going to push the gems down in it. Does not have to be smooth, it will be chunky. And I'm going to do the sides, the very sides, after the back is done. So all I'm going to do is take some of these gems, pop them off, and then just pop them right onto the back. Just like that. And they are sticky, but that's okay. So I'm just going to cover it all in jewels, just like that. So I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to do it in fast forward, and you can watch me decorate the case. Okay, my sweet friends, so it is now finished. I think it turned out really pretty, sparkly. There's the sides, the top, the other side, and the bottom. I will definitely carry my phone in here. I think it's super cute. It has the little ring so that I can carry the phone. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I do an upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye everyone!